All right, I wanted to introduce you to the assignment that you're going to have for the last chapter, chapter 8. Let me show you how it works first, and then we'll talk about some of the particulars. So you're going to be given a main program called followme.pde. And that looks like this program right here. Don't edit anything in here. This should be all set. There's nothing for you to touch in there. You're going to write a bug class, and basically it makes the program do this. Once you've implemented your bug class, the circles, which are the bugs in this situation, will follow the mouse pointer, and whenever I click, they're reset and scattered to different spots on the screen. Okay? So this is what you're doing. Again, you get the main program. I'm providing that to you, and you have to write the bug class. So let's look at the requirements for the assignment. So you're designing a bug class. Okay, it has to be named bug with a capital B. There's no variety allowed there because your class that you write has to work with the program, the main program that I provided. Okay, so you're being forced to use a particular design, which is very much like the things would be in the real world. So your class needs to be named bug with a capital B. As far as fields, you need to know the location, the color, and the speed of the bug. So that should be very much like the mosh pit example. You can use those fields pretty much verbatim from the mosh pit example. Should have some constant holding the size of a bug, and again, that should be something you can pull from the mosh pit example. It should have a default constructor that randomly assigns the location, color, and speed as a positive random number between 1 and 2. So that, again, is very similar to what was in the mosh pit example. You use that example. It should have a draw method that displays a colored circle at the bug's location. Okay, so if you look at the main program that you're given, that is needs to be draw. So in your bug class, you need to have a draw method. Okay, just like that. It's spelled exactly like that. Okay, likewise, it should have a reset method that, when called, moves the bug to a new random location. So that's what happens when they click on the display window. That's what scatters all the bugs out to new locations. And then finally, it should have an update method to move the bug towards the mouse pointer. And so that requires a little bit of polar mathematics in order to figure out what's the direction to move towards. And so to save you that stress on your brain, I provided a code that you can use for the update method. So feel free to use that code verbatim. Just copy and paste it into your bug class. Okay? So for the design assignment, what you have to do is a UML class diagram for the bug class, and then pseudocode algorithms for the constructor, draw, and reset methods. So those need to be submitted no later than 9 a.m. on Tuesday the 21st, and then after that you'll work on the actual code. So the partners have been assigned here. So once this video, or the assignment rather, is visible on Wednesday, you'll be able to dig into that particular design assignment.